Yeah, this phone. One of the laggiest phones I have in my collection. And this time it's charged. Finally. Anyways, this is the OPPO A16s. It has 64 gigabytes of internal storage, 4 gigabytes of RAM. Okay? And it's also powered like something. So, yeah, we're gonna boot this up. So usually this got upgraded from ColorOS 11.1 to ColorOS 13. So let's just boot this up. There we go. Yeah, this screen is hella scratched. Plus it's an LCD switch. Should I take this off? Don't know. Don't know, so let's just wait. Oh yeah, this phone is 6.52 inches. 720p screen, and now it's booting up into ColorOS. So this has a Helio G35, which is one of the worst processor I had ever in my life. The worst of them. Plus it runs like... Oh yeah, now it wants me to put a pin code. So let's just get in here. So yeah, let's go. And oh yeah, we're right now in. So, why did I press both of those buttons? And oh, I forgot about that. Fingerprint, thank you. I've already factory resetted this phone because, bro, you won't believe how it sucks to be when there's like a million apps downloaded on this. It feels like buggish. It literally took me so long. I had to go in recovery just to erase all the data. So let's see what this thing can do at least. But yeah, let's just keep talking about this. So this phone has a 13 megapixel wide camera, the normal camera this is on the top. Then we have a 2 megapixel depth camera. Then we have a 2 megapixel macro camera, and it's just a typical camera. Interesting. So I'm gonna go ahead and download TikTok, and since recent data from similar devices shows that this app may stop working on your device. Okay, it's Android 13. How can it not run TikTok? So we're just gonna go ahead and get that done. So let's go ahead and get more. Oh, look at this. An update. I was just downloading the apps and then I got this new system version available, and it just improves system stability for better user So let's just see what's the details of this. This is taking. Oh, finally. This looks like ColorOS 13.0, so no 13.1. About this version, integrates October 2025 Android security. Patch to enhance system security. I ain't doing that. So anyways, let's check out the social media, if you can even use it. So what can we do here? We have Fancade, TikTok, and Discord, and Instagram, and gaming. So let's start. And I was trying to get Facebook to work, but it's not installing properly. So let's start up with TikTok. It's gonna take a bit. Oh, no. We're watching TikTok, and it actually doesn't. Looks like that's happened. So yeah, it runs completely fine. It runs fine, you just have to wait. And sometimes that happens. So that's with TikTok. Let's try Discord. Welcome to Discord. Let's sign in real quick. Look at those chunky bezel. Oh my. That's chunky. Discord works perfectly. Instagram. How long does this take? Now there's a bar, and now we have it. So let's just go ahead. I was just trying to log in, and the problem is it just couldn't find it. And plus, I don't kind of like Facebook because they multiple times did bad stuff to me, so we have to move on, I guess. Gaming. So this right here does have its own games app right here. If you just click on here, you'll find the game. And let's just go with FanKit because that's, we're gonna first test that out. And first of all, it works and it shows that, so let's just go ahead and go. Can I please this time beat the level first? Please! Finally! Come on, come on. Finally! Hell! What about this one? What is this? Oh, that's just easy, I guess. Okay, now wait, I can just do that? Oh, that's simple, okay. So it's not that bad as I thought it would, because I think this is just easy to run because like the phone... Why did you stop there? I told you to get up there. Good. Really, did you end? There we go. So this phone isn't that bad on this game, it's smooth, but once you go on Roblox, it's not that fun anymore, so... Let's find on FanCade a very, very hard game to run. So let's test it out. Found it, let's test it out, I guess. Play. Too complex geometry. Which that's actually fine because all on these like my computer is also the same. It always shows everyone's phones just show that. So that wasn't hard for that phone. What about the other one? Plates. And it just falls. And that wasn't laggy. Well now, what about this one? Looks like, oh, it's just sliced up in half. How can that be so complicated? This stacked logs, like Jenga, and now they're all falling. Boom. Okay. What about this one? Okay, it's just a normal thing. What is it gonna happen? It's literal mini blocks. Wow. Okay. Why not we try the one in full? Check this one. This one is basically all of it. Nothing fun, so yeah. So for this game, it wasn't lag. I even tested it out and it doesn't even lag. So that's good. So let's play another game. This time I'm not gonna be moving that much, so I'm gonna have to play. Can I please? Finally. Okay, there. Hurry. If you don't... Well, of course it's gonna be laggy. Oh, there's a new map. Highway. Blade. Why not? Oh yeah, let's see what this menu has for me. Low power mode? No. I want pro gamer mode. Don't care about battery. This has a 5000 milliamp hour low pole battery. And it's already lagging. Look at that. Well, if it's gonna lag like that, I have to put something in here, right? Give me a moment. That should do it. But that was nice. And it's still lagging. What about I clear everything? Really? It just got me that achievement. It just got me that achievement. And it's still lagging. That's a sucker. So let's test something else, I guess. What about your now daily life stuff? Like go using the camera. Well, looks like you can only go up to 5x. That's it. 5x, not any higher. Video, what about that? Only 5x, like why? Portrait, basic pro, that everything. What about macro, because this has a macro camera. Low ambient light, of course, because I'm in a low lighted situation. And you really want me to turn on the lights? Okay, let's go see this if this works even. I hope this will be perfect for you. Flash bang. Okay, so best quality at 4 centimeters. Why not we take picture, right? Got some pictures. Let's go ahead and try this out. And I have to now turn on the flashbang. Ah, there we go. What about web browsing? Oh yeah, this is ColorOS 16. But this phone is not running. Okay, that's fine. At least that does that. Okay, it's doing fine as I can see. Fluid animations everywhere. If this phone had it, I bet this thing wouldn't be real. Fluid animation. Yeah, you know. We have, of course, the find and 5, you know, like that find stuff. December Q. Okay, these phones are not bad, as I can see. K13. Okay, I think they excluded every single bad device and tried slapping everyone that actually works, like the Pro. I mean, the K series, not bad at. Anyways, it's also recommending me to check ColorOS 15. No thanks for today. Thank you a lot. Something weird I just saw on this phone. Since this was from United Kingdom, this has one thing. This phone, of course, costed over $100. But if I go to more apps, there's a PUBG mobile gift for some reason. Like, why is there this gift thing? And it wants me to download it. But I've never downloaded this thing ever in my life when I was using this phone. Like, never. One time I was thinking to get it, but I didn't get it. So we're gonna see if this even will work. But we're not gonna test it. So let's just keep moving on. That's just much pretty it. If that's just much pretty it, I went through everything this phone has to deal with, and basically this lags a lot. Not my favorite thing. The battery is not that bad as I thought. And yeah, if you're getting this for an elderly person, that's fine, but get a better one for her, not this thing. And also, it's just because it's freaking sucks, because like, who is using an OPPO phone? Like an A series phone. The X series phones are fine, but like, dude, come on. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you probably next time.